Is this weather going to cooperate, or what are we expecting to see?
I don't think the weather's going to cooperate. We're still going to see abundant showers and thunderstorms across parts of the coastal band. Haven't been a whole lot right here in the city. Looks pretty good as we take a live look outside with our sky cam at this hour. Currently our temperature 78 degrees out at the airport with that rain coming down. Winds are out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Most of our temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, looking at 74 in Beeville, 76 in Rockport. Port A is at 79 degrees. Now we do still have that flash flood watch in effect through at least early evening for our eastern counties, and will be extended for our western counties until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning as this tropical wave continues to move through South Texas. Now we do have urban and small stream flood advisories for the coastal areas, and that's because this is where the heaviest rain has been, and as some of that more rain comes down, driving is going to be very difficult. We've also got a coastal flood advisory, which means that we're going to see some pretty high tides, water close up to the dunes or up to the dunes, as well as dangerous rip currents out there if you're heading out to the beach. Now here's a look at the combination radar and satellite imagery. You can see the heaviest rainfall just within the past couple of hours has definitely been to our north. We'll kind of zoom on in. Some very heavy rain across parts of Port Aransas, move through Aransas Pass. We'll kind of zoom in around the Rockport area, Fulton, seeing some of that heavy rain as well. So be very careful as you're traveling this morning. And then we've got a big area of rain from Sinton to Mathis up to Skidmore, and that extends all the way up toward the Beeville area. But again, the biggest bullseye has been in Port Aransas. But we did see some very heavy rain also out near Bob Hall Pier on the island as the storm rolled right through there and then across parts of the Naval Air Station. But the heaviest rainfall, Doppler estimates close to 5 inches of rain in Port Aransas, and that's where Emily Hamilton is reporting that flooding in the downtown area. Close to 3.5 inches of rain near Gregory, Portland, about 1 inch of rain. Also, some of our inland counties also seeing some pretty good significant rainfall. The Fremont area about 2.3 inches of rain, and this is where the heavier rain is going to continue through the overnight hours as this area of low pressure starts to push up to the north and west, and this tropical wave continues to move in. But it's going to be a wet couple of hours. You can see the future tracker indicating very heavy rain for us, and then it starts to taper off, and then the inland areas will be under the gun with that heavy rain. We're still going to have enough tropical moisture in place that we could see a few isolated showers as we head into Sunday, but nothing like we're seeing today. Today's pretty much the big weather event. And you can see the heaviest rainfall in the future tracker indicating across parts of the Victoria Crossroads, right through the Rockport area, Alice and Kingsville. Some of these areas are going to pick up anywhere between 3 and 4 inches of rain as we move throughout the weekend. But we're not the only focus. We're also still dealing with Tropical Storm Florence, and you can see heavy rainfall occurring there. Myrtle Beach under the gun with this storm. The storm still has winds of about 50 miles per hour, gusting to about 65 miles per hour. It's a very slow mover, and that's why this storm is going to have the potential of producing widespread flooding across parts of the Carolinas and then up through the upper Ohio Valley as it slowly moves northward early next week. As far as our forecast, though, we are looking for the potential for locally heavy rainfall, a daytime high right around 85 degrees, a little breezy with the winds out of the southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we're going to continue with the chance of showers, but nothing like we're going to continue to see as we move into the morning hours. So just be very careful out there. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Potential for heavy rainfall today, isolated showers as we head into Sunday. Then it's going to primarily be hot and humid as we move into next week. Maybe a few showers right around Wednesday and Thursday. We're going